Okay, so if you get a lot of catches with your back pain, it could be a few things going on. Passively, it could be that you've got a hypermobile joint because you start to delaminate and break down a disc, that actual joint's got micro movements in it. Actively, it could be just a deterioration of muscles, particularly muscles such as the multifidus muscle. Could have atrophied down, it isn't doing its job stabilizing you segmentally in the spine. Or even neurologically, because you've had pain or chronic pain for a long time, the nervous system doesn't respond as quickly as it should do to kind of stabilize and protect you against those sort of sudden movements, and instead you get a little bit of a catch because it's kind of reacting a bit too slowly. One of the things that we can do to sort of start relearning how to protect ourselves and building some armor is do what we call bracing or abdominal bracing. So again, this comes from the work of Professor Stuart McGill. So all we need to do, find a belly button, trace out 6 inches or so, stab yourself with your fingers right where your obliques are, and then just fight with some tension in muscles. You're not pushing out, you're not sucking in, you're just tensing those muscles, making that abdominal brace, and practice 3 or 4 deep breaths while you try and keep that brace consistent. We've got to try and fight to keep it on the whole time. That's your brace. So what we can do, rather than use it like an on-off switch, you can think of it with a dial from 1 to 10. And depending on the activity that you need to do safely, you can dial in a little brace to act as that first layer of armor. Now, having a bit of an awareness is good, but if you need to strengthen it, exercises such as things like McGill curl-ups are a great way to actually strengthen that and make it even stronger so that, you know, of its own accord, it will protect you when it needs to. So again, quick tip to stop those sort of catches of pain, start becoming more aware of your brace, that first layer of armor, and how to use it to protect yourself.